Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana. And today we're going to do a TRD Pro grill conversion on a 6th gen 4Runner. Let's get started. Okay, so we have 4 pieces here. They're all OEM components. We have a 360-degree camera. If you're doing this grill conversion on an SR5 or a model that does not have a 360-degree camera, this may not be needed. We have an auxiliary switch. This is an AUX1 Toyota OEM switch, and that light will turn on when the light bar is turned on. We have the lower grill piece and we have the upper grill piece. So let's look at the 2 grill pieces individually, and we'll kind of explain what we're going to do here. So this is the lower grill. Obviously it's going to replace this grid pattern flat black piece that's located right here. This is an off-road premium that does have the front camera. So I'm going to go ahead and set this piece right here where it's going to go. You'll notice a couple things. One, it's got your honeycomb pattern. So instead of having the grid in matte black, it's going to be a honeycomb pattern in a gloss black. It appears that the millimeter radar sensor, which is right here, is going to actually fit just perfect over that. So we're not going to need to buy a new millimeter radar sensor cover. However, where the light bar goes, you'll notice that there is the 360-degree camera. So that is going to have to be relocated, and that will be in the upper part of the grill. So you'll notice there's the camera piece. And again, we did order the right camera so that it can be mounted right behind here. Before we get too far in the process, we are going to test the camera that's in there and see if it fits in here. But my guess is it will not. And I say that because on our 4th gen Tacoma grills, they have a different camera. So we went ahead and have the camera on hand if needed, and we'll find out when we wrap the project up whether that camera is recyclable or not. If it is not, it's about a $155 camera that you're just getting that you're going to need to make everything look and fit properly. Okay. And so the 4th piece is going to be the grill. And again, this does have the same honeycomb pattern, but as you can see, it is a matte finish. Toyota sombrero in chrome. This grill will fit in here just fine, and it's going to be again, it's a TRD Pro grill, so it's going to be a gloss black. And then of course their front camera is going to be relocated from down here all the way up here. So that's going to require a recalibration by a Toyota factory technician using GTS Plus. And so that's what we're going to do. I will mention one additional element that you could do. There are 2 versions of this grill. This is the TRD Pro grill. It is a gloss finish with a silver lettering, heritage lettering. And then of course there's going to be a Trail Hunter version as well that's going to be a matte finish with bronze lettering. All in all, it's still going to require the same camera relocation, another lower grill piece as well. And we'll link to both kits on our website in the comment section below. So let's tear off the grill, let's get started, and let's see how this fits. Okay, so we have the project complete. It is a easy swap over. It's a little bit of a pain to get the front bumper off this vehicle, a little bit harder than it is on a Tacoma or previous gen 4Runner, but nonetheless, not impossible. The grill swaps over just fine. The factory grill, as we mentioned on the first part of the video, it does have the exact same honeycomb pattern, just in a flat finish versus the gloss finish. The gloss finish I really do like. It does match up nicely to the gloss on the paint and the gloss on the glass and on the headlights. Of course, we're deleting the sombrero. You'll notice that the camera, which normally would be located down here underneath of the where the light bar currently is, it would be, I'm sorry, I got that upside down. So this is how that would go. So the sensor does not change location at all. It's exactly the same. So the camera does get relocated from the bottom to the top up here. A couple cool things about this particular project is because the sensor does not get changed at all, does not require a recalibration from your local dealer. Typically when you have a 360-degree camera and you relocate the camera, especially one that's a solid 15 inches higher, in most cases you're going to need to have a technician recalibrate the front camera. In this case, coincidentally or not coincidentally, we won't know until we do another one, this camera did not need to be recalibrated. So the 360 camera system lines up perfectly. The lines are absolutely perfect without having to readjust anything. So for whatever reason, on this particular TRD Pro grill, you'll need the TRD Pro camera because this bracket is going to be required. However, when you get the TRD Pro camera, it has a different wiring harness than a TRD Off-Road Premium, so that camera isn't actually going to just plug and play like it would on a Tacoma. So what you actually have to do is disassemble the bracket from the camera on the Pro, and then disassemble the bracket from the camera on the TRD Off-Road Premium, and then install the original camera on the bracket that comes on the TRD Off-Road, or on the TRD Pro, excuse me. And then you're basically just throwing away the camera. So it's an expensive camera considering all you really need is the bracket. So hopefully we'll be able to 3D scan this and 3D print this to save the cost, because the camera is over $150 and all you need is this piece of plastic that should cost about $1. So with that said, at the current time of this video, we are going to need to do the kit to buy the camera. So this is our 4-piece kit. We also have a 3-piece kit available. Both links are in our comment section below, so that if you have one that has a camera, you can buy the 4-piece kit. If you have a model that doesn't have a 360 camera, then all you need to buy is the 3-piece kit. It's the same thing, just no camera. We went with a Baja S8 light bar. We went ahead and did an amber colored. One cool thing about this is we're gonna have to switch it. It's really nice having amber down low. So if it's a foggy day or a snowy day and there's lots of white, it's nice to have that extra amber reflect. But let's take a look at the switch on the inside of the cabin. Typically what we use on our switches, we'll have an aftermarket switch that's gonna be your Toyota square switch. In this case, we went with the OEM AUX 1 switch. This is the same switch that you can find in a lot of the TRD Tacomas. The reason that we went with this particular switch is because it has the exact same luminescence back glow of all the factory switches. So I don't know if it's coming across in the camera or not, but the back glow, when I turn the lights on and off, you'll notice that the illumination is exactly the same. It matches the consistency of all the other factory switches. And the reason is because that is actually a factory switch. That's actually a Toyota branded OEM switch. And that's pretty much a wrap on our 6th gen TRD Pro grill swap. We have these kits available for both with and without the front camera in the comment section below. If you guys have any questions, please ask. And again, please like and subscribe to the channel for future 4Runner content.